Good morning guys, this is B again. We're back to our channel. Today we were loading the second shipment, total 8 containers. Now we have already received 3 containers. Now here you can see there has hold on 2 containers out of our factory and another factory already loading at our factory. So follow my view and we will see. Because of customer has a very urgent delivery time requirement, so this time our containers come from Shanghai port. Normally it's not urgent. Our container will come from Nanjing port. So now has already arrived total 3 containers, and all of them arrived at our factory at 7 o'clock in the morning. So it's very hard. Maybe they have to start from Shanghai port at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning. So it's very hard for them. It's very hard. Now we can see our factory always very busy. So many workers and forklift work around this area. Now we are loading the first container. The first container has already finished. Now you can see there has left some space because there has weight limited total 26 tons. So can't load more GI grating.